Welcome, guys. If you're ready to rock your AI game and get those 3D models, this is Tripo AI. All right, guys, so I have some stuff to show you so you can generate anything in 3D with the power of AI. Now, how do you do that? You have to come to Tripo AI right here and then check out this stuff. So it's very, very simple, actually. So you can see the 3D models here. Now, you probably have something that's in 2D that maybe you like an image, maybe even something you've drawn that you put in image form and you want it to look good. So how do you do it? There's two ways. You can generate an HD model here, or you can generate a mesh. Now, this might be good for something like a web app if you're doing something for topology, or if you just want it here, you can just click Generate HD Model. So you have a certain amount of credits, and then you have to top them up. So I can just come here and take anything. I'll take this image, and I'm going to go ahead and generate. So you can generate it in parts, you can do all that, but to generate the model, we just go ahead and click generate here. It's very, very simple. So it's generating, boom, boom, boom. We can just sit back, relax, and let it generate. Now it is going to take a while, so you do need to be a little bit patient, but we're going to go ahead, let it generate, let it do its thing. And then after it's done, we can see what it looks like. Now, the cool thing about this is you can do different segments and do different textures. You can even animate it. And yes, they have an affiliate program. We can see different models here that have done it. And I think that's why this is really, really prevalent, because I think it's important that we just take a look and see how it's done. So it doesn't take a whole lot of time, but you just want to come out and see what it looks like. You can also generate multi-views. Now you can come here, and then we also have the smart mesh on the right hand side, but check that out. That alien's looking pretty menacing, and we're going to have something cool here in about a couple of minutes. So we can even see the seconds counting down. And keep in mind, you only have a few blocks of this. So you only have so many. I'm at 145. I use 55. So it's going to be important if you want to keep doing that, then you do it right here. You can also alter it by left, right, and center here. And if you want to generate in parts, you can. And it does do the AI quality in the most proficient model. Plus it shows how to view your model, and we'll be able to take a look at this, see how it looks, kind of navigate through, and do some more stuff. So in a few seconds here, we can get it. And we can see our assets here if you want that. Now, they do have a creator program, so you can jump into that as well. And you can see what's going on, play around with it, get really, really proficient, and in turn, start creating some amazing things here. And now we've almost got it down here. It is almost generated. We're just checking it out to see what's going to happen. So a few more seconds here, and we're going to get something completely awesome. I can't wait. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the awaited moment is here. We're going to check it out in 1 second. Here's our 3D generated model. Look how awesome this looks. I just generated that. It's really come to life. Now we can play around with the axis. There's a million things you can do here. So you can change the orientation of it. You can change how it looks, if it's going to be flat or smooth, the view settings. If you want, you can even change the color contrast, as you can see here. And I can play around with this and change how it looks, make it more brighter, make it look cooler. And I think this is just amazing. Like, look what you can do with this. This is why this is so awesome to generate with 3D models. So that's how it works. You can also do the smart mesh. Let me know what you think of it down below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Catch you in the next one.